Hi, if I ask you, can you give me some tag from HTML? Right? You can give me some tag definitely. So one tag is div tag, one is span. You can say table is there, right? So what is the meaning of this tag? These tag when you write in the HTML, browser understands, right? So can you write your custom tag? If you want to write some custom tag, will browser will understand. If you write my hero, will browser understand? If you give any custom name, will browser understand? Right? So Angular is here. Angular gives you the power to create user defined custom tag. You can create your own tag and these tags are called component, right? So now my next question, whenever we create the Angular component, what what files we needed or what essential things we needed to create any Angular component. So number one, when you are create any component generic component, you need number one typescript file for the javascript functionality. Number two, one css file for the styling purpose, one html file, this would be the definition of your tag, and four is the testing file. Okay, so we are not talking about right away testing file, we are not bothered about, but we are bothered about 1, 2, and 3. If I wrap this all files in one folder, that is called component. Okay, let's go to our uh, VS Code, and there is we have app folder. This is the boilerplate which is given by the Angular CLI, app, assets, and environment. So by default, we get one component from the Angular CLI, that is the app component. Okay, so we have one HTML file, we have CSS file, we are using SCSS. This is the testing file. Spec denotes to the testing file. This is the JavaScript or TypeScript file. Okay, I am opening it, HTML and SCSS. We are not bothering about the testing. We will delete it later. Okay, so I am coming to the testing file. I will. So you can see these are the by default boilerplate. I am going to delete this and I am going to delete this HTML as well. Now we will create our own component, right? We will write from scratch, so we will understand what is happening there. So whenever you are writing any anything, this is directive, this is component, this is any other thing, module, these all are the TypeScript class. So first you need to write export class and your component name. So your component name goes to the app component. Okay, now the thing is how Angular will understand this is the component, right? This could be a directive, this could be a pipe, this could be any other module. How Angular will understand? So Angular gives, if you are creating any component, you need to import something called component component decorators. Okay, so this is the decorator is the special function which empowers or which takes some configuration, and this will tell the Angular this class is going to be a one component. So what information or what configuration it takes, right? So this is the function I am calling and I am passing one object. So my first information, what is the name of this component? So this is the your custom tag, so I am giving app root. Next information, what is the style files you are going to give? So style URLs, and your first file you can give the multiple file, that's why we have array there, and this is the SCSS file which we are giving there. So the third thing, which template you are going to provide? Template means HTML, which definition you are going to provide. So we have HTML, we have SCSS file which we have already given, and this is about the template file. So our component is completed, right? Now I need to write something inside the HTML. So I create one div and hello star technophile. So this is some text. You can see this star technophile text is coming over there. Why? Because you have created one component. This is the definition of component and this is the styling of component. We have not written anything till now. So I write app and I give color red. And this class will goes to the class app. Okay. So this is the red. So you can see, right? We have one component with class, with definition. So now question, where we are using this component, right? Where we are using this custom defined tag. We are using this tag inside the index.html file. Okay, so do not worry, right away we are looking the component. So this, when it's come about this app folder, this is the app component and we are looking index.html. We will see slowly whatever you are seeing on browser, this is the index.html, right? And index.html we have written our user defined tag, right? So this is coming from app component.ts file, right? So this is the convention. You want to write anything, suppose I can write, if I give, I remove this, okay, and I can give star technophile, right? So I have created one custom tag, but will our, right, angular is giving error. Why? Because this is not the, this tag has not been created by the angular, so you need to give the correct name. So if you give the star technophile there, now this is the component which you are referring inside the index.html. So this is coming perfectly. If I see there, if I inspect this, so you can see in inspect we have one star technophile component or star technophile tag, which browser is understanding, what is the definition, what is the css. So this is all about component. So just close it. Next we can move. So the thing is, we have some more configuration there, like we can use instead of template url, template. So what is template? If we write the backtick and if we write some html there, so I copy this and I paste there. So what will happen, I can comment it out. Okay, I can comment it out template url. Still hello star technophile is coming. I need to apply the class app and this is perfectly working here. So why I have done this? Because if I write html there, so as of now, because we are just starting, we do not need to switch file here and there. We can focus only on one file and whatever functionality we need to do, we can write here. Suppose I want to create any title. So if I write the title equal to awesome angular, and if I want to do something with title inside the template, I can do in the same file. We do not need to switch here and there. So this is all about the component.